Hello everyone, now it's time to design the website. So I go to Universal Portfolio website Figma file, and this is the version that we are going to design. So here we don't need this grid layout, so I will just click here to hide it, and now here we have clear design. So as the first step we have to create this section, this header. So let's do that. To do it, I go to our website and let's go to dashboard. On dashboard, actually we don't need this Elementor overview, so click on screen options and remove this. Okay, now on template I click on theme builder. On theme builder we have separate sections, so here we have header, footer, single post, single page and stuff like this. So as the first step we have to create the header, so I just click on this plus icon. Alright, now it opens the Elementor editor, and here we have library. So in this library we can find already designed header, but I am not going to use any of these, so I just click this close icon, and here we have the Elementor editor. So here I click on this plus icon, and we are going to use flexbox, so I just click on flexbox, and flexbox type will be direct column. Okay, it added like this, and I click on it, and on advanced I will remove all margins and paddings. So as the first step we have to add this logo. To add it, I select on it, then click on export, and here I will make it JPG because the display or the content is white and we don't need transparent background. Then I click on export, and let's go to tiny png and just put it here. Then it optimized, then I click on this button to download it, and let's go here, and as the first step we have to add the logo. So here we can just add side logo like this, and here we can add the logo. So just click on change side logo, and here click on side logo, and then we have to upload the download image, and let's copy the title and paste it like this, and see, let's make it logo. So always we have to add the alt tag. Alt tag is really important in SEO, and if this logo is not loading or if it's missing, the alt or alt tag will be appear. So always add meaningful text to alt tag. Okay, I click on save changes, and now click on back to editor, and our logo just added like this, but we need this on left side. To make it left side, I click on the container, and on layout I will add this direction as row horizontal, and justify content will be start. Okay, it came to the left side, and now let's find out the in between size. So here we have 20 as the top. So to get these details you can just select the element on Figma file that you want to check and press alt or alt tag of your keyboard, and you can see the in between size. And if we want to see the in between size from this two, just click like this and find it. So in custom website design full class you can find those information. So let's add 20 as top. Let's go here, and on container go to advanced, then margin top will be 20 like this. Okay, then what we have to do is add the menu. To add the menu we can just click on add element and search menu, and here we get WordPress menu. Just copy and drag it here. So just drag it like here, and it will add it to the container, and we have to create a menu before we go forward. To do that I can just click on this, go to the menu screen to create one, and on here we can create a menu. So for the menu name I will add main menu and click on create menu. Don't select any of those stuff, just create a simple menu. Okay, now from here we can add pages, posts, or we can add custom links. So here I will select the home page. On pages we have home page, I just add it, and then we have others menu like about, services, and testimonial. So let's connect. So this is the landing page. In landing page, when I click on this about, this will redirect to the about section. So to add this, we have to use this custom link. On custom link, I will add the link text as about and as the URL. For now, let's add hashtag, and after we complete all the sections, and then we can set up the menu, which means when I click on about, it will redirect to the about section like this. Okay, now click on add to menu. Then we have services. Just copy the text and here paste the text, add URL as hashtag, click on add to menu. Then here the testimonial, copy it and come here, paste that link text and add hashtag. Okay, then on let's connect, this should be button, so we have to create it separately. For now, I will add those stuff and click on save menu. Then let's go back here, and now we have to publish this to get the details. Actually, before we publish it, let's make it as save draft like this, and let's publish it after create the full menu section or full header section. Then I click on reload icon to reload this page. Okay, after I reload it, it just added. So now I click on WordPress menu, and the menu is selected because we only have one menu, and let's adjust those details. First, the layout will be horizontal and alignment will be star, and we don't need any pointer, make it none, and we don't have a sub menu, and on mobile drop down we can add more details, but let's do it in responsive design section. And now we have to go to styles. In styles we can set the typography. The typography should be menu links. Did you remember that we create menu links typography on global fonts? We did it on the site settings section, and on hover let's make text color as this primary color like this, or maybe let's add hover color as this orange color, and when hover it will be appear on orange. On active we have to set the primary color. The primary color will be this green color. Okay, now we don't need any dividers like this, so remove it. And now we have to add the horizontal padding. To add it, we can just click one menu item like this, press alt and hover over the next menu item. The in between size is 36. Let's make it the horizontal padding as 36. Okay, next we can add vertical padding. Let's see the vertical padding from here. Let's see the vertical padding. It's 14. So let's make this as 14. Okay, actually the horizontal padding should be 0 and space between will be 36 like this. Did it 36? Yeah, it's 36. The space between should be the 36 and horizontal padding should be 0 like this. Okay, we don't have a drop down and we don't have a toggle button on desktop version. On mobile version we can add it. Okay, now we have to fix the alignment. So let's fix it. Just click on this container and add align item as center like this. Okay, then what we have to add is a button. To add this, let's connect button. I can click on element and search buttons, and here we got a button. Just drag and drop like this, so it drop to here. I will just click here and put it like this. Okay, now we can customize this button according to the Figma design. Okay, now we have to design this button. To do that, select the button and let's go to our Figma design and check the details. So button color is field color, and what about button text? The button text is, I think it's menu link text. Yeah, it's menu link text. So let's go there, and first let's change the text. So the text will be let's connect. I just copy it and paste it like this. Then for now let's add link as hashtag. Then go to style. In style, the button position will be left and typography is menu link. Then we don't need text shadow, and on normal text color is this primary color. The text color is secondary color because the text color is white. Text color is white. So now background type will be classic and the color will be this primary color. In hover, the text color will be still secondary color and the background color will be this color like this. Okay, for now let's not add any animations, or if we want we can just add like grow. So when I hover over, it will grow like this. Okay, now we have to add border radius. So let's see, border radius, it's 30, corner radius is 30. Here we have border radius, let's make it 30 like this. Then we have to add the padding. Let's make it 0 for now, and let's see the padding. Select the text, press alt and hover like this. It's 30 and left and right is 30 and top and bottom is 18. So let's make it top 18. Actually we have to unlink value icon. We have to press unlink value icon. Then right will be 30, bottom is 18, left also will be 30. Perfect. Okay, now if we go to the design, the menu set is in right side and this logo is in the left side. So to do that, we have to go to container and we can just make it like space between. And when we do that, the menu is in middle and this button is in left. But if we go to original design, the in-between size should be 36 of this button and the menu. So to fix it, we have to add element, and here we have to add container. Just drag and drop a container like this. It didn't add it. Let's do it like this. Okay, then on advanced, remove margin and paddings. On layout, let's unlink value together on the gaps, and the column gap will be 36. Okay, now I will put this WordPress menu inside this container like this. Let's just add it like this. No, it didn't add it. Just add like that, and then let's do the same to the button, and it should be like this. Okay, now if we click on the container, we can change the direction to row horizontal, and the justify content will be end, and we added the column gap as 36. If we make it 0, it will be like this. It should be 36. And now if we check it, we can clearly see space in between the design, and we just achieved what we want to achieve. So if we go here, it will be look like this, and let's click on preview changes and it will open in new window. So the website will be also look like the design. In this container, make align item as center like this. Okay, now our header part is completed, this part. So now what I can do is click on publish. When I click on publish, we have a pop-up called where do you want to display your template. I click on this add condition and I make it include entire site. I want to view this menu entire site. So now we can add more conditions, but what we want to do is show it on entire site. Then I click on save and close, and the menu just published. We can see it from here. Okay, now I will go to WordPress dashboard, and if we go to template and theme builder, here we can see our header, but the name is just Elementor header hashtag 26. We have to change it. To change it, we can click on edit. Then here I will click on this header setting, and on title I will change this title to header, just header, and click on publish. Then if we go back and check it, it will be look like this. Okay.